Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will be introducing you to an AI tool. This AI tool will enable you to turn your images or text into a 3D model. This AI tool is a 3D generative model built on a unified structure, latent representation, and rectified flow transformation. The tool enables a versatile and high-quality 3D access solution. Using this tool, we're able to create 3D assets such as this. To be able to access this tool and make use of it, you need to visit a website called Face. So come along with me. Let me show you how you can access this tool. So the first step in accessing this tool is for us to go to Google, then type in Trellis /GitHub. Then make sure you open the second thing. So this is GitHub. So for us to be able to access the Face website, you need to come over here where it says Face. Then you right click on it and click open new tab. Okay, so right now we are at the site, which is hungerface.co, and you can see image to 3D access with Trellis. So what we need to do is to import an image that we want to convert to 3D. So I'm going to use this Raptor. So the image has been uploaded. Then you have an option to input to manipulate some settings. Here you can say seed, that's the number of generative output you want. So you can put 2 here, but for me I'll just leave that at 0. Then here you can also do some other settings, guidance strength. I'll just leave everything at default. Then the next thing I would do is to click generate. So as you can see, the image has been converted to 3D, and you can see the output results. This is the output result. So as you can see, this is the output of the image which we uploaded. You can also download the model if you want by clicking here. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel to help the channel grow, and again click the notification bell so that whenever we upload new video you'll be notified.